Welcome back to my channel. I know I look really red right now, but that's because I don't know why, but it's weight around this area because I put concealer. So yeah. For today's makeup look, I honestly don't know what to do. I kind of want to do like a natural look, but we'll see what we end up doing. So first, we're gonna get blood sugar out. Taking an M433, and we're gonna take sugar cane and tongue pop. We'll take that into the crease. We're gonna be taking cavity. We're not. I changed my mind about this natural. It's gonna be naturally pink. And we're gonna be taking a little bit of cavity and root canal. So I'm gonna go do the other eye real quick and I'll be back. So I just took a makeup wipe and cleaned this off, and I'm gonna cut my crease. So now we're gonna go into blood sugar, and we're gonna take glucose. I'm going to use a Morphe M431, and we're going to be using the tongue pop and cavity. And then we're going to take a little bit of cherry soda. And we're going to take a little bit of extraction. And after that, you can take your makeup wipe and then I'm just gonna take some of prick and fresh meat. And then we're gonna blend it with tongue pop. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera real quick and my base, so I'll be back. So now we're gonna go into blush. I was gonna go into blood sugar, but I'm gonna try this one out. It's really pink, but we'll see how it looks. Haven't used it in a while. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow. It's too much. Too much pink. Maybe when I get bronzer on it, it'll calm down. Take bronzer. And then we're gonna be taking Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Wet Dream. I'm gonna put the over one on first in Rodeo Drive. Just Now on to Supreme Frost and Wet Dream. All I'm saying is that bitch is popping dough. And we're just gonna take a M433 and we're gonna pop a little bit in the inner corner and a little bit on the brow bone. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Tint of Corruption. It's like a jelly lipstick thing. It's a lot of pink for me. We're also gonna go with the Frozen 2 lip gloss from Free Spirit. And I think that's the end of the look. So, this was day 2 of 14 days of Valentine's makeup. So, leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to be seeing more of my videos. And as I said, for the 14 days of Valentine's Day looks, I will be posting every day until Valentine's Day. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, love y'all, have a nice day, night, evening, wherever you are. Peace.
Doing on my lake? I'm on swan duty, dude. Swan duty? I hate that. You better shake and bake or get off my lake. What do you mean you're on swan duty? What does that even mean? You just post up in your swan on the pond. What are you not getting? Just because it's 2020 doesn't mean I want to see you, dude. Yeah, well, it's better than a DUI. DUI. This is the only thing I can drive right now. You're stressing me out, dude. You're making me flexy. You flex on me, dude? Yeah, I did. Screw you, dude. You're lucky I can't multitask or I'd beat that ass. Stop flexing, bro. I'm gonna rip this life jacket in half, dog. You wanna flex on me? I'm not even pedaling. I don't do legs. I've been doing too much chest, dude. I skip leg day every day. That's just the motion of the ocean, amigo. I just hate listening to you, dude. What comes out of your mouth? You think swan duty's stupid? Ask me my itinerary this week. What, dude? Monday, pond duty. Tuesday, lawn duty. Wednesday, I wanna be with you. Hey.